OpenAI has been releasing models kind of back to back to back to back to back. GPT-5 came out, I don't know anymore, not too long ago, and then pretty shortly after that, 5.1 came out, and then shortly after that, 5.2 came out. And what's been happening is that with each new model release, they are adjusting the quote-unquote personality, the emulated personality that the model is giving to people. And every time they change it, some people like it and some people hate it. And I think they are hoping to appease as many people as possible. So what they did was they added new personality configuration options. So if you go to chatgpt.com and log in if you have to, then you get to this screen. And then if you go to the bottom left and you click on that icon, you will get your menu. And then if you go to personalization, you get this menu, and everything below, I can't highlight that, everything below the About You is the same. That was there before. Everything at the top is new. So now you have this base style and tone. And if you click on this, like, it starts with just default. And honestly, I don't know what that means anymore because they change it every model. But if you want to know what that means, put in a couple of prompts and then just kind of assess the tone. There's default, and then they have professional now, they have friendly, they have candid, they have quirky, they have efficient, they have nerdy, they have cynical. I haven't heard all of these, but I've heard a lot of these thrown around when they would go like 5 to 5.1, like, oh, it used to be much more professional, now it's this. So I think this is just, like, again, this is kind of their answer to that. So you can set the base style and tone, and then you can have different characteristics. So now there's a warmth thing, and you can do, again, all these start with default, and then this has more or less, and you can do enthusiastic, more or less, headers and lists, more or less, and then emoji, actually was playing with that before, but emoji you can again do more or less, and then if there's something that they didn't cover in here, then you can put in custom instructions, and this is, additional behavior, style, and or tone preferences. So if that's something that's interesting to you, come in here, play around with it, and see, set it back to the way you want it. I mean, I feel like this is going to be mostly for people who want it to behave a certain way, and then when OpenAI changes it, it doesn't behave that way anymore. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just now you have the option to go back to whatever it was. And you can prompt for this. It just makes your prompts longer. So now I think they're just making it so that you don't have to put in the prompt every time. Like, hey, you are, whatever, act as this. Make sure you have a professional tone. You don't have to necessarily say that every time if you come in here and set this to professional, theoretically. Again, try it out and see how it works for you. Just kind of go away. Going back to 1, if you go to chatgpt.com, you get to the main screen here, and then bottom left, click on the menu, go to personalization, and at the top here you have your base style and tone, you have these options, and then you have different characteristics. You have warm, enthusiastic, headers and lists, and emoji. All these start with default, and then these in the bottom, you can change them to more or less. And then if you have something different and custom, you can put that in too. Try it out, see what you think. See you next time.